Creating a website involves several steps, from planning and design to development and deployment. Here's a general outline to help you get started. Planning. 1. Define your website's purpose. Determine the goal of your website, whether it's to showcase a portfolio, sell products, share information, or something else. 2. Identify your target audience. Understand who your website is intended for and tailor your design and content accordingly. 3. Choose a domain name. Pick a unique and relevant domain name that reflects your website's identity. 4. Plan your website structure. Outline the main pages and their hierarchy to create a clear navigation flow. Design. 1. Wireframing. Create a basic visual representation of your website's layout and structure. 2. Choose a design style. Decide on the colors, fonts, and overall visual style that align with your brand or content. 3. Create mockups. Use design tools to create detailed visual representations of your website's pages. Development. 1. Choose a technology stack. Decide whether you'll build your website using HTML/CSS, front-end only, or a more complex setup using a back-end language, like JavaScript, Python, PHP, along with a database. 2. Front-end development. Write the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code that will create the visual and interactive elements of your website. 3. Back-end development. If needed, build the server-side functionality, such as handling user input, processing forms, and database interactions. 4. Content management. If you plan to regularly update your website's content, consider using a content management system, CMS, like WordPress, Joomla, or Drupal. Content creation. 1. Write content. Create compelling and relevant text, images, videos, and other media to populate your website's pages. 2. SEO optimization. Optimize your content for search engines by using relevant keywords, meta tags, and descriptions. Testing. 1. Cross-browser testing. Ensure your website works correctly and looks good on different web browsers, for example, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge. 2. Responsiveness. Test your website on various devices, desktops, tablets, smartphones, to ensure it's mobile-friendly. 3. Functionality testing. Thoroughly test all interactive elements, forms, and other features to ensure they work as intended. Deployment. 1. Choose a web hosting provider. Select a hosting service that fits your website's needs in terms of storage, bandwidth, and performance. 2. Upload files. Transfer your website files, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, etc., to the hosting server. 3. Domain setup. Link your domain name to your hosting server by configuring DNS settings. 4. Final testing. Verify that your website works correctly in the live environment. Maintenance. 1. Regular updates. Keep your website's content and software up to date to ensure security and functionality. 2. Analytics. Set up tools like Google Analytics to track visitor behavior and gain insights into your website's performance. 3. Bug fixes and improvements. Continuously monitor and address any issues that arise, and make improvements based on user feedback. Remember, creating a website can be a learning process, and there are plenty of online resources, tutorials, and communities that can help you along the way.